Lorex continues to innovate with its ultra-high quality IP-based security cameras. The LNE4172 from Lorex is a dome-style camera made of aerospace-grade aluminum. The camera can be installed indoors or outdoors and both vertically and horizontally. Let's see how to install the camera on an exterior wall. Available from Lorex is a junction box which can house all the wiring and is pre-drilled for the mounting bolts, model S1JF2G. It is available in black and gray. This junction box is made of solid metal alloy and features a foam backing to protect the cables from the elements. The outer cover has a white silicone gasket to keep rain and snow from entering the box. The black silicone plug can be used to seal the wiring entering the box. Included are plastic anchors and screws, along with a weather-tight conduit connector that can be attached to the bottom of the box, currently covered by a metal plug. The first step is to remove the dome ball camera from the mounting base. Simply unscrew the retaining ring that holds the camera and inner dome cover. This will release the camera from the mounting plate. If you choose, you can now gently remove the dome cover. Now align the holes of the camera mounting plate to the junction box front cover mounting holes. Insert the provided hex bolts and secure the camera mount onto the junction box using the supplied Allen key. Now thread the cabling through the camera mount and the junction box front plate. You have the option of threading the cabling through the black silicone plug to add extra weather protection. Simply slide the cable through the slit in the plug and push the plug snugly into place. Gently pull the cable to remove the slack. The camera will rest on the white pads. Now reattach the camera dome cover by snapping it over the camera housing. Align the recess area on the dome cover to the approximate direction you will require when installed to the bowl. This can be fine-tuned once the camera is fully installed. Now replace the outer ring and screw it down to secure the dome camera. We've drilled a hole in the exterior wall and run the supplied Ethernet cable. Insert 2 or more anchors into the wall and secure the junction box to the brick. Now connect the cabling to the camera and gently push the bundle of cables into the box. Keep mindful of the direction the camera is pointing. Place the camera and box front cover onto the junction box and align the 4 corner Allen bolts. Hold the camera in place and tighten each Allen hex bolt. Once the camera is secured to the junction box, adjust the alignment of the ball camera by slightly loosening the outer ring and rotating the camera ball. It is ideal to keep the green-blue sensor pointing down so the image is oriented correctly. However, if you do place the sensor pointing up, the image can be flipped on the NVR. The LNE4172 delivers incredibly crisp, clean images in day and night. The 12 infrared LEDs illuminate the entrance and beyond. When an external light is turned on, the camera switches to color mode and provides a clear image. The LNE4172 from Lorex provides stunning images with a build quality that will deliver surveillance for many years.